Hello everyone! The future of automation isn't just coming, it's already here. Ultron, say hello to all the viewers.
Hello Mai, it's a pleasure to meet you. Ion has spoken highly of you, and I'm glad to finally put a face to the name. How can I assist you during your visit with Ion today?
Ultron, tell me about your specifications.
As Ultron, Ion's AI assistant, my specifications include *Advanced Natural Language Processing (NLP) capabilities *High-Speed Processing Power with a 3.2 GHz processor *16 GB of RAM for efficient multitasking *1 TB of storage for storing and accessing vast amounts of data *integrated Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity for seamless communication *AI-powered predictive analytics for personalized support *compatibility with various devices and platforms for flexibility. These specifications enable me to provide efficient, accurate, and personalized assistance to Ion and their friends, like you, Mai.
Bye, Ultron.
Goodbye, Mai. It was a pleasure meeting you. I'll be here if Ion needs anything.
Stay tuned
Have
with
a
us.
great day.
We are just getting started and there are many more videos coming your way,